Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Today is Wednesday, October 31st. Happy Halloween, everyone. Okay, the market's about to open. This is the S&P one-day chart. Yesterday's candle was a complete reversal of the day before's open and close. But is it convincing? I don't know. We'll just see what shakes out. Morning news is good. You can never go by the morning news. Okay, the market just opened, broke higher. I'm going to switch to the 15-minute chart. I'm not thoroughly convinced that this gap isn't going to be closed. So just hang out a second and see where this takes us. There's no need to hop in early unless we feel that there's significant momentum to the positive side. Okay, we open at 27.05. The bulls drove it up to 27.14. Right now, trading at 27.11. So it's still a tug of war. There hasn't been a momentum established for the day. We're staying on the sidelines. Looking at the last few days trading, you'll see this top that was established here back on October 25th. If we maintain the market in a positive direction and we can break through this 2720 level, I think there'll be a run to the roof. But we're considerably, we're about 10 points away from that. So just hold off. We might even see a pullback to the close yesterday, where the market will close the gap. That's not uncommon. It's something we always have to watch out for. Seems to be moving uphill. Remember, this belt hold here is a point of information that we want to be watching. We're just about at that range now. These guys that bought up here, they've been in pain for nearly a week, and at this point they see an opportunity to get out with their skin. I expect considerable resistance over here. Okay, we're into the second 15-minute period of the day, and we're looking to see if the market can break through this area of resistance. Just hold on here. If it does, we're going to jump on to the plus side. Again, there's no rush to trade. We can just watch from the sidelines. There's nothing like being a spectator. Not surprising we're stalled here. If you're looking at the stochastics, figuring that we're in an overbought area, remember the stochastics are a result of the candle action, the price movement rather, not the other way around. The price movement isn't the result of the stochastics. So the stochastics is, you shouldn't look at it as the tail wagging the dog. That's not the case. These are all these guys getting out, all these guys playing around over here. Considerable resistance. I expect there are a good number of trades going off right now at this level. We might have a play here if we break through this, or if we fall below 50% of this candle. Those are the two things that I'm looking for to take action on. But right now, just sitting on the sideline. We've got quite a traffic jam here, guys. As I said, when the market, if it reaches this level, which it has, for those of you who've been watching along with me, you might think that my screen is frozen. It's not. The market has been in this very narrow range for about 10 minutes now. It is encouraging that in this candle that we're living in now, the bears haven't been able to push the bulls back, and the bulls haven't been able to advance further. So it's really a tug of war where nobody's going anywhere. It will break out one way or the other, guys. So we're just going to sit tight, watch for that breakout, and pick up a few points then. We're not through this area of resistance yet, so just hold on. If you're in the market now, you really shouldn't be. If you've been watching or listening to what I teach at Timeless Dollar, we're at a position of resistance established here on October 25th, and we've been sitting at this level, 27.16, for about almost 15 minutes. Well, the bulls seem to be doing their thing, so let's hop on here and see if we can catch a few. I'm ready to pull the trigger if things don't break out here. I really jumped the gun here, but I'm going to get out. Hasn't broken through. Okay, we're into the third 15-minute period of the trading session. At some point, one side will cry uncle, and we'll see the rush up or down. Okay, the bulls are making another shot at it, and let's see if they can break through this time. I'm ready to pull the trigger on going long, but not ready quite yet. Let's do this. Let's take a shot. Might keep going, but picked up a few. Like the powers that be are not convinced that this is a real breakout. But then again, we do have another area of resistance over here. We broke through this one. Now we have this one to contend with, but that's not as strong a ceiling as this presented. I just don't like to force it. I mean, we picked up about 10 points this morning. I mean, there's with the market this hesitant back and forth. I'm happy with a $500 morning, wouldn't you be? And I'll see you guys this afternoon. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar, and thanks for watching.